this is Nadia Tomale. I am so excited to be with you today to share with you my step-by-step on how to make khubz maghrabi, or we call it pita bread or khubz. So let's get to it.
I'm going to dissolve 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1.5 teaspoon active dry yeast in 1/3 cup lukewarm water. I'm gonna mix, cover, and set aside to activate. This will take about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to sift together 500 grams of all-purpose flour with 1.5 teaspoons salt. I will be using a stand mixer, but the kneading for this khubz can totally be done by hand. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil and the yeast mixture. I'm going to knead this on low speed for about 1 minute. Slowly, I'm adding 1 more cup of lukewarm water, and I'm going to continue the kneading for about 4 to 5 minutes until the dough comes together. We are looking for elastic, soft, and smooth dough. I'm forming the khubz dough into a log. I'm cutting the log into 10 pieces, about 3 ounces each. Now I'm gonna take each of these pieces and I'm gonna form it into a ball and place them on my flour tray. I'm gonna cover the tray and let the dough rest to rise for an hour. On a lightly floured surface, I'm going to use my rolling pin to roll out each khubz dough into a circle. We're looking for 6 to 7 inches in diameter. It is important to dust off any excess flour and let the dough rest again for another 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure it's covered again. For medium heat, I'm going to heat my cast iron skillet. Using a non-stick pan will work just fine. I'm going to add my rolled khubz dough to the pan. I'm going to be watching it carefully. As soon as I see slight bubbles, about 15 to 20 seconds, I'm going to flip it to the other side and watch for the bubbles again. I'm going to flip the bread again on both sides 1 more time and wait for the bread to puff up. Bread is ready when a hollow pocket is formed and slightly browned from the outside. As soon as the khubz is ready, it must be kept between kitchen towel so it doesn't dry out. Now the fun part. Khubz can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or nowadays during Ramadan for suhoor. Enjoy and happy khubz baking, everyone.